Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Malaysia. This is a box from Red Chef. They're a Malaysian company that makes some absolute delights. They've been on the top 10 list, and yeah, I'm curious what's inside. Let's find out. Red, check this out. It's a chef hat. Let's see if it fits. It does. Very cool. Thank you. Now I've got a hat to wear then when I do Red Chef reviews. Next we've got this little thing. It's the Red Chef News. And it mentions like testimonials and things. Mentioning the top 10 here. Oh, they're in Cosmo. Very nice. Yeah. Cool. Oh, cool. Their team autographed it. I totally appreciate that. I've got a bunch of posters and things that are autographed, and over the years it's been really neat to get them done up nice, you know. So I'll get these laminated. Oh, look at that. Right down there in the corner. Very cool. Next up, I've been waiting for these. These are the new recipe of their spicy sakura prawn soup that has rice vermicelli and wheat noodles in it. So you get both types and styles of noodle in one pack, which is really cool, and that's really how you would find it in Penang. So that's nice. And another thing that they sent, check that out. So that's like, they've got a new recipe of their green tom yum, very new. It's January right now of 2020, so I'm on it. I'm probably gonna try this sucker tomorrow. And then here's their spicy sakura prawn regular wheat noodle version, and as you can see, number 2 on the top 10. And their pandan white curry. Pandan leaf kind of gives things a little bit of a nutty taste. It's really good. My favorite pandan thing are pandan waffles. You can usually get those at bubble tea joints. But yeah, it adds a nice little nuttiness to this one. And here's their sesame clear soup noodle. All right, cool. Thank you very much to the folks at Red Chef in Malaysia for sending all this over. Wow, very nice of you. And I got a hat now, and I get to try everything all over again. That's pretty cool. All right, and this one, brand new. And these are new flavors too. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.